The worst docking station in 2025, I need to say it's UGREEN Revodok Max 213, the worst docking station I ever try and I ever have in my hands, so don't buy it ever, even if its price is good. This not worth at all. Now they put the prices around 270, but it's not worth even 100. First, let's go to see physically and then we will turn back. Let's go to speak about UGREEN Revodok Max and let's go right away. So you can see here there is USB-C 10 gigabit per second and it have 20 watts for charging, and if you have camera you can use this for your camera, and it have two USB-A, but it's, as you can see, it's 10 gigabit per second, and it have for audio. So I need to tell you, audio is rubbish and it's around 40% worse than when you connect it in your computer or whatever. This for your cards, it's not fast, so I don't see any worth in this. And this two USB-A 10 gigabit per second, today it's nothing special. So here only value what I see is USB-C, because you are able to charge your phone. We can turn this on another side, and this is something what I want to tell you. We have two USB-A, but both of them, they are 5 gigabit per second. In 2025, 2026, 5 gigabit per second is really low. And here we have 1, 2, 3 USB-C, you can see. So they say they are Thunderbolt 4. So let's say that you have Mac Mini, Mac Mini Pro or Mac Studio. So this one you need to connect with your Mac Studio, and then you have this two USB-C. But the problem is they are not fast like other. For example, if you connect enclosure Thunderbolt 4 in your Mac, the speed will be around maybe 2600, 2800, but here you have 1600. It's much slower. And about this, I can only say that DisplayPort, as you can see, we have DisplayPort. I can say this is good thing, but if I can connect directly USB-C to Mac from my Mac, I don't see any good side about this. Okay, let's go to see and give two final words about this UGREEN. Okay, let's go now to see one image what I have, so that we can speak about it a little. So we are today in 2026 and the price is 300 euros, and for 300 euros they give me two USB-A with 5 gigabit per second. They give me two USB-A 10 gigabit per second. What is special about it? I don't understand. Then they give you card readers. We are not in 2023, we are in 2026, and if we speak about 2025, even then card readers was not something special. So from the front part, only good thing that I can say is this USB-C, because you are able to charge your phone. About audio, for example, if you listen something like this, when you turn UGREEN, you will need to put something like this, that you have the same volume, almost a half. So audio, it's 100% rubbish. If you want to listen audio with this, forget about it. Now we are arriving on this place here. They say it's Thunderbolt 4. You can see here 40 gigabit per second. And okay, let's go. So this one, you will connect it with your Mac Mini, with Mac Studio. Okay. Then this means you have only two Thunderbolt 4. When you connect something here and it is Thunderbolt 4, for example, enclosure, you will not have speed of 40 gigabit per second reading and writing. It will be lower, and it's not a little bit. For example, my enclosures, reading and writing, are around 2800, but with UGREEN it's 1600, so this is much lower. And only thing here what I can say that it's good, it's DisplayPort 8K, and all the rest I don't see anything special. So on the end, when you take the price of 300 euros, and what you will get for this 300 euros, it's not worth it. And this is the worst, I need to say, in 2025 and even now in 2026. It's the worst docking station that I try for this amount of money. And if you even find, for example, second hand and you think that it's cheap, don't buy it, because it's not worth it. It's not worth it. New one, second hand, even if you get it for free, you will not use it, because for what? So my value of this product from 0 to 10, it's equal to 0. I watch many YouTube videos and I know why they will tell you buy it, it's good, because sponsors, this is the problem. You know, when you are sponsored from someone, well, I need to tell you, don't listen YouTube channels that have sponsors. And the best thing is when they say they are sponsors, but I can say whatever I want. Yeah, you can imagine this, right? So all docking stations that I try, from Thunderbolt 4 series, UGREEN, Revodok Max 213, it's the worst one. Okay, see you soon and cheers.